Hello there, my name is Jeremy Jones and I am a graduate student at Harvard Extension School's Introduction to Web Programming using JavaScript, taught by Larry Botelier and a fantastic group of TAs. I've never been a programmer before, the extent of my exposure being that of a few scripting languages, so it's really no small bit of irony that the task before me today is to talk about something that I learned in this class as if I were an authority. But alas, here we go. I'd like today to discuss the JavaScript assignment operators. These operators were discussed very early in the course, which I found fascinating as it reinforced the concept of JavaScript as a unique and independent programming language very early in my studies and gave me my initial glimpse into how programming works. Assignment in JavaScript goes far beyond the simple equal sign, the variations of which can be a discussion in and of itself. And it is this variety beyond that I will touch on today in an attempt to encapsulate this knowledge for extra credit. So let's start with the most basic assignment operator. The equals assignment assigns a numerical value to a variable. Let's give this a div. Let's add a couple lines of code here. Give that a 10. Give it a variable to tie it back to the HTML. Alright, let's just see how this goes. There it is. So you can see here that the integer of 10 was assigned to this variable and echoed back up here in the div, and there it is over here. So a little wrinkle on that, another assignment operator, the plus equals assignment operator increments a variable by a determined amount. So let's try this, the plus equals. Call it plus equals. We'll come down here and we'll say, in the event that var x equals 10, x plus equals 5, that's the amount we want to increment it by. We'll put the variable in there, the call to the HTML. Let's see if this works. There it is. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Nice. Alright. Let's do another example. It's also interesting to note that on the plus equals assignment operator, it's also true that the minus equals assignment operator decrements a variable by a determined amount, much in the same way. So another interesting assignment operator is the star equals assignment operator. I can't type. Which multiplies two values. So down here, if we were to go with x star equals 10, or actually x equals 10, x star equals 8, that should give us 10 times 8, which last time I checked was 80. And it does. Very good. So one of my favorites actually, is the percentage sign equals operator, which is actually the remainder operator, which shows how much of a value is left over when the assigned variable is divided by a provided integer. So let's do this one more time. And then down here, we will go with equal to 10 again. We'll do the remainder assignment variable, say 6. Okay, now when I do this, it'll take 10 divided by 6 and give me the remainder up here, which should be 4. And it does indeed. Assignment operators have endless applicability and are used extremely frequently within JavaScript as a number crunching tool. There are many other assignment operators. With that said, I hope you've enjoyed this presentation as much as I've enjoyed learning JavaScript with all of you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.